Hello there. So this is your introduction to geometric series. What are geometric series? Well, first of all, we'll start with sequences. These are all sequences. A series is when you add the terms together. Okay. So a sequence might look like this. And what you've got to do is just decide what's happening to get to each successive term. If you need to multiply by the same, what we call common ratio, then it's a geometric series. And that's the case for all of these. So you multiply that term by 2, and then times by 2 again, times by 2 again, multiply by 2 all the time to get to each successive term. That's what you call a geometric series. This one, you're always multiplying by 3, so times 3, times 3, times 3, a geometric series. If you end up having to do something different, for example, multiply by 2, then multiply by a different number, it's not a geometric series. If you're adding all the terms, if it's a common difference, it's an arithmetic series. If it's not a common difference, it doesn't matter, it's still not a geometric series. You need to be able to multiply every term by the same amount. Okay. Here you multiply everything by 3 again, so that times 3, times 3, times 3. This time you're multiplying by a half, so always consider multiplication rather than division. Okay, so multiplication by half, times half, times half, times half, and then this one multiply by negative a half. Notice the positive, negative, positive. So there we go. So some examples of geometric series sequences there. Okay. Next, I just want to show you how we form your general geometric sequence. It's like this. We use letter A to represent the first term and R to represent this common ratio where you're always multiplying each term by. So the second term will be A multiplied by R. The third term, because you're multiplying by R all the time, it will be that times R, which is R squared, and then times by R again, you get AR cubed, times by R again, AR to the power 4, and so on. And you can see, because that's the first term, second term, third term, notice how the powers work. You've always got the power is one less than the term itself, so the nth term is going to be this. A R to the n minus 1. Okay, so that's an example for you. So in this sequence 4, 12, 36, 108, it's a geometric sequence. First term A is 4 and common ratio is 3 because you just multiply everything by 3. The 10th term, you would just work out what A R to the power of 9 is if you follow this list through. Okay, so A is 4 and then multiply by 3 to the power of 9. That's a large number, so I'm not going to do it in my head, but you could work out what it is. The nth term would be A R to the power of n minus 1, so 4 times 3 to the power of n minus 1. And there you go, there you have it. That's essential geometric sequences are. Thanks for watching, I'll see you again.